Looking for somewhere to stay in Donnybrook? Stick around and I'll show you a perfect spot. Well, thanks for watching and welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, I do a lot of spots to stay around the southwest and product reviews and all sorts of bits and pieces. This one is on a transit park in Donnybrook in the southwest, about half an hour inland from Bunbury. It is a transit park, it's not a caravan park. They have 10 bays and it's a first come first served basis normally. You book in at the BP just on the highway and you'll pay your fee there. There's a maximum of 3 nights and it's only just around the corner at the sports complex. As I say, maximum of 3 nights. It's relatively cheap. So the facilities there are brilliant. You've got a nice drive-through area for all the caravans, concrete pad. The room with all the facilities, you've got male and female showers and toilets. They're nice and large, plenty of room to move around, and there's a laundry, campus kitchen, outdoor barbecue, and of course you've got the big sports oval there that you can go for a jog around if you want, or if you're there at the right time in the weekends you can watch a game of cricket or footy. To walk into town is only 5 minutes away. You can follow the road back out and there's a big park there you can just see in the background on this video. So it's a great big park there for the kids, but there's a coffee shop at the end, or you can go for a wander up the main street, have a look at the old railway station. There's a big old second-hand shop up the far end of town, well worth having a wander through. There's all sorts of bits and pieces in there if you like collecting somebody else's junk. There's a couple of pubs in town, coffee shops, and just a wander through. Donnybrooks well known for its apples and its fruit, so if you're there at the right time of year you're going to pick up some beautiful fresh fruit as well. When you drive in from Bunbury, just before you hit the town, there's a caravan turnaround area in under the pine trees too, so if you just need somewhere to pull over, you can pull in there. There's a couple of photos at the end of the video that show you they've got a bit of a display from the old timber cutting mill, so that's worth stopping and taking a photo as well. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, or please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because there's always more stuff coming, and any interactions, your comments and things like that help me get a better rating, which gets me out there motivated and doing more videos. That's the facilities there. It's a really well looked after place. While I was down that way, I also did a video on free camping, I should say, at Bunbury, and it's down on the coast. It's a 48-hour camping spot and there's a couple of them there. It's normally a lot greener there, but this was done at the beginning of March, so we hadn't seen much rain yet. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up and keep the shiny side up. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.